we're here at the water fountain station. We're gonna clean this with our, this is restroom disinfectant, but we are gonna use that to clean and disinfect both of these reservoirs. And then we're gonna shine and polish it up with a paste cleaner and Brillo pad, which is our Zani-Clean, our favorite paste cleaner. And hiding inside, I have a soap Brillo pad. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with putting a little bit, you don't need a lot, just put a little bit of the cleaner and a little bit of water. And we're gonna clean, this is for sanitizing, mainly to get all the bacteria off. Okay, and then we're gonna let that dwell for a little while. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. I'm not scrubbing too hard, but you are agitating the sparkling in. And if you look at these water fountain heads, and if you want to come on this side, you can see how gross and dirty that is. So we're gonna clean that. We're gonna use an orange cleaner. We're just gonna spray it in and on the outside. And we're gonna take some of that grime off. We're gonna let that dwell a little bit. Continue scrubbing. This here is stainless steel stain, so it's a little bit of rust that we probably won't be able to clean. Okay, this has been dwelling a little while. We're gonna take our scrubbing pad again and we're just gonna clean this head. You can see that it's coming off. It's really grimy and dirty. It's probably because it's outside. And don't worry, yep, I'm putting this inside the middle, but we're gonna rinse it out with disinfectant. Okay, so it still has a little bit of grime right here. We're gonna keep cleaning that until that comes off. Looks a little better. Okay, and then we're gonna do that over here. See how that looks? It's kind of grimy right there, so we're gonna scrubbing that off. And you don't have to do this all the time. This is probably, I would assume, maybe once a month or so, just kind of depending. And then it is dirty on the inside, so I'm gonna clean that out. It's like this gunk in there. Okay, let's buff this out. And then we're gonna rinse it by running the water. Okay, we're gonna turn on the water. And now we're gonna rinse everything down. We did that, we're gonna actually scrub now inside of the basin. We need some water, and this is just a Brillo pad. It has soap on it already. And if we want to, we can use a Zani-Clean as an added scouring agent. But as you can see, I'm just agitating really lightly, and it's already cleaning it. Cleaning the stainless steel off. There is going to be staining like this right here. We're not going to be able to get off, but you can see the difference between dirty and clean. Just keep agitating it. So it might be a little helpful if you had a little cup with you to get the water down. So if you look at the before and after, definitely all of that brown stuff is gone. We have some over here, so we're gonna continue cleaning over here. Now, because the grain is going this way, that's the way that we're gonna use our Brillo pad. Especially because it's on the outside. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and wipe it this time to see. So you can see that there is already damage to the stainless steel, which is fine because we're gonna buff it out with stainless steel cleaner. Okay, we have some crusts here. What we can do is take our razor blade and clean up some of the crusts, just gently pushing it. It's nice and soft right now because we have put all of our cleaning products on, so now it's just coming right off. Just real gently. Or you can get a scrubbing brush with the metal head. That would work too. I just gotta be careful because this is rubber. I'm gonna go back in with this, get in the crevices. And then wipe. So back here. So you can see some discoloration back here. Probably because it wasn't cleaned. We're gonna just come over, clean that up. We're gonna have to put some polish on that. Just wipe this off, and we're gonna go over with stainless steel cleaner. Wipe the sides. Oil base for this since we have some damage going on. Again, you don't need a whole lot. I'll just give it a little spritz. It's not. Oh, you can see that it's coming off. I need some paper towels. Still a little wet. Like we'll probably have to do another deep clean on it since there's some damage back there. And flip it over, buff it back out. Okay, and that's done. And then we'll work on the next one.